Spring is here, and you know what that means for homeowners at least. It's time to start thinking of those home maintenance chores because just like your car, you've got to make sure you do the routine maintenance on it to keep it safe and in good shape. So here's 5 quick things to help you keep your home in tip-top shape. Number one, service the AC. Outside, you can hose down your unit and ensure that all the debris, leaves, all that cleared from it. And this is the ideal time to change your HVAC filter, depending on the routine maintenance instructions for it, of course. It's also a good time to have a professional inspect and test your unit and make sure that the system is in working order and ready to take on the soaring summer heat. So that will save you money and likely prevent you a last-minute emergency service request when it's 100 plus degrees outside. Number two, your gutters. Make sure they're clean and clear of debris so that water can flow and drain out away from your house and away from your foundation. Check for holes, leaks, disconnections, or anything where the gutter is pulling away from the house. And also assess your roof for any type of damage or uneven wear. You can easily have a roofing company come and do this for you for free too. Number three, refresh your exterior, the brick, the patios, all the elements that have suffered from the cold winter. Spring is the perfect time to power wash your concrete and the sides of your home, get all that green stuff off, repaint and reseal your deck, furniture, pergolas, trellises, anything outdoors. And number four, make sure all the doors and windows are weather tight so that they don't let moisture in or allow cold air out during the summer months, and check those weather strips. Number five, check your electrical outlets. Make sure they're grounded properly because if sparks pop up when you plug something in, it's going to be really bad during a storm and can cause a fire. So these are all things that you can do yourself, but if you're not quite comfortable with something like that, let me know because I've got a Rolodex of great people out here that can help with that type of thing. And here's a little bonus tip. You know that tiny little switch on your ceiling fan? It's time to flip it. It changes the direction of your ceiling fan, and in the summertime, your fan should spin counterclockwise. See you next time.